Thank you all for joining us and being a part of this special holiday edition of What's Holding You Back as we are in Thanksgiving mode, and we should stay in that mode of giving thanks. And I just want to say in closing that we all should take the opportunity to be amongst our friends, our family, and our loved ones, and take the time out, make that sacrifice to go and spend some time with them. Spread love and, communicate your feelings of how you really feel about them. Don't let that just sit dormant and you never have that opportunity to share and tell them how much they really mean to you, because no one is promised tomorrow. And it's one of the worst feelings when you really want to express your feelings towards someone, but come to find out they have moved on and you never got that opportunity to maybe make up for a past relationship in which you had, which was not in the right manner or the right place, but you never took the time out to really apologize and share, say, hey, let's put all our differences aside. And I just wanted to say how much I truly care and love you. So take that time out. Let tomorrow be that day, and each and every day going forward, that you make that sacrifice and you make it something that is going to be a focal point in your life to share and express the love, compassion, and consideration that you have for your fellow brothers and sisters.
Amen.
Amen. So God bless you, everyone. And on behalf of Christy
Amen.
from Clear Ambition, from Laverne, from Elevate with Vern, from Deborah Anthony, the self-care counselor. My name is Rob McCray from the Business Building Network. I thank you all for watching. We look forward to seeing you next week at 6 p.m. for another edition of What's Holding You Back.
Holding you back from touching the sky. What's holding you back? You gotta fly like an eagle and go high. What's holding you back? Holding you back from touching the sky. Oh, holding you back. You finally gotta reach for the sky. I was born to succeed, not to be a spoken and real. Told myself there's more to this than just waking up when I feel. So I made a commitment to turn my earnings up. Couldn't see myself as an employee that still couldn't. Looked in the mirror, saw a spark in my eye. Knew I had to hustle and stop living a lie. I packed my dreams in a suitcase, took the first train. I'm headed for the horizon with success is no doubt. What's holding you back? Holding you back from touching the sky. What's holding you back? You gotta fly like an eagle and go high. What's holding you back? Holding you back from touching the sky. Oh, holding you back. You finally gotta reach for the sky. Stumbling blocks and they say it's fate. When you burn with passion, won't be swayed. Every mountain, every mile, cover them all with a smile. What's holding you back? Holding you back from touching the sky. What's holding you back? You gotta fly like an eagle and go high.